Hello everyone, welcome back to the new episode of our tutorial series on database for beginners. In the previous episode, we have successfully learned how to do searching and sorting in MS SQL Server using like and order by keywords with select statement. And in this episode, we will learn how to use complex searching or sorting mechanisms using and or with select statement. So without further ado, let's move to our tutorial. So first of all, we'll need to open our SQL Server Management Studio. So I'll just click on this icon and it will open our Microsoft SQL Server 2014 database. And then we'll need to connect our database engine with local server name and just click on connect to connect the database. And let's maximize our databases. And here we are working with sample database. So I'll just maximize it. And I'll also maximize the tables. Here we have TBL user and TBL employee, but we'll be working with TBL employee. So let's create a new query, and if your database is not selected, then just click on this button or this drop down menu and then select sample database. So here we will be using and or to select using complex queries. So at first let's display the detail of all the employees. So I'll use select asterisk or all from TBL underscore employee. That's it. This will display all the list of our employees. So we have 9 employees till now, and then let's select the list of employees who are living in Kathmandu. So let's say select all from TBL underscore employee. So which keyword will you use to display the list of employees who are living in Kathmandu? Comment below guys, hurry up, I'll be waiting for you. Yeah, that's great. You guys are really awesome. Yeah, we will be using where keyword. So select asterisk from table employee where address is equals to, and inside a single quote we'll give Kathmandu. So select asterisk from TBL employee where address is equals to Kathmandu. So this will give the list of employees whose address is Kathmandu. So let's just select it and run or execute. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 employees who are living in Kathmandu. Now let's use and to filter among these employees by age. Let's say who are greater than 24 years. So we need both of the condition to be true. So let's say and age is greater than 24. So we want these two conditions to be true. So we will display the list of employees who are living in Kathmandu and whose age is greater than 24. So if you can see the list of employees, so here you must see only 2 values like this Kumar and Vijay, because Vijay is living in Kathmandu and he is 25 years old. Kumar is living in Kathmandu and he is 50 years old. Ram and Harry are both below 24 years old. So let's select it and let's find out. So I'll select and execute. So it successfully displays the 2 employees who are living in Kathmandu and are greater than 25 years old. So that's it. We have successfully used the AND keyword, and requires both of the condition to be true. So let's use the OR keyword to find the list of employees who are living in Kathmandu or has the salary of greater than 50,000. So this must display the list of employees who are living in Kathmandu as well as who have the salary of greater than 40,000 rupees. So let's find out. Select asterisk from TBL underscore employee where address is equals to Kathmandu or Kathmandu or, and then salary is greater than 40,000. Okay, address, I missed one S. So that's it. Let's select it. So best, if you can see the list of employees, let's let me know who will be displayed with this query. So comment below, guys. So which user will be displayed with this query? Comment below. I'll be waiting for you. Okay, I also don't know. I'll just run this query and find out. So select the query and click on execute. So here are either they are on Kathmandu or has more than 40,000 salaries. So I need to add here a bar of let's say I will say 70,000, and let's find out. Execute. Now it filters out. It will require either one of the condition to be true. Either they must be living in Kathmandu or they must have salary of greater than 70,000. So let's check it out. So here Vijay is living in Kathmandu, but his salary is less than 70,000. So one condition is true, so it is showing. And similar with Ram, he is living in Kathmandu but has less than 40,000. Here John has a salary of 500,000, which is greater than 70,000, but lives in America. Mac also has 80,000 but lives in Australia, whereas Harvey and Kumar both live in Kathmandu but has a salary of less than 70,000. So that's it, guys. This is how we can use and or keywords with select statement to filter or to select the specific data in MS SQL Server database. So if you have any confusion related to this tutorial, then don't forget to comment below. I'll reply as soon as possible. And if you like this tutorial and think someone might find valuable or useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And in the next tutorial, we will learn how to use aggregate functions like max, min, sum, count, average in our MS SQL Server database. So till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.